welcome to RD Education. Today we are going to do the second part of the exercise of the second chapter of the High School English Grammar and Composition book. So today we will do from 15 to 27. In the previous video we have done from 1 to 14. If you have not seen it, then the link is there in the description. The early bird catches the worm. I have already told that when we question with who or what and get the answer, then that is the subject of the sentence. So if we question who catches the worm, then we can easily get the answer that the early bird. So here the early bird is the subject of the sentence. The next one, all matter is indestructible. So if we question what is indestructible, we will get the answer all matter. So here all matter is the subject of the sentence. Delhi is capital of India. So here if we question what is the capital of India, we will get the answer Delhi. So here Delhi is the subject of the sentence. 18. We should profit by experience. So here if we question who should profit by experience, we will easily get the answer that we. So here we is the subject of the sentence. All roads lead to Rome. And if we question, we get what lead to Rome? All roads. So here all roads is the subject of the sentence. A guilty consciousness needs no excuse. So what needs no excuse? A guilty consciousness. So here a guilty consciousness is the subject of the sentence. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. What soon faded away? The beautiful rainbow. So the beautiful rainbow is the subject of the sentence. No man can serve two masters. Who can serve two masters? No man. So here no man is the subject of the sentence. A sick room should be well aired. So what should be well aired? A sick room. So here a sick room is the subject of the sentence. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. So here if we question what glitter in the sunshine, we will get the answer the dewdrops. So here the dewdrops is the subject of the sentence. I shot an arrow into the air. Who shot an arrow into the air? I shot an arrow into the air. So here I is the subject of the sentence. A barking sound the shepherd hears. So here who hears the barking sound? The shepherd. So here the shepherd is the subject of the sentence. I have told you before also that subject could sit anywhere of the sentence, at the last, at the first and at the middle. So in these sentences it is sitting in the first, here it is sitting in the middle, and let us see the last sentence. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. Who lives on the top of the hill? A hermit lives. So here a hermit is the subject of the sentence. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you find any fault in our video, you can write in the comment section. And if you like it, press the like button and also subscribe our channel for getting all the updates of our video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, go ahead and learn joyfully. Thanks. In our next class, we will teach about the phrase and clause from the High School English Grammar and Composition book only. So please subscribe our channel to get the update. Again, thanks for watching.